How's it going, buddies? My name is Pritham, and I want to share you some thoughts about Firewatch. As we can know that Firewatch sometimes stops at the loading screen. Basically, there is so much problem about this Firewatch, and in the fixes, and this RG mechanics crack also sometimes doesn't work. So I'm just starting my Firewatch and let you see what the error is. So here's my Firewatch is starting. This is my load screen. It is sound lagging because I don't have that much graphics. Okay, let's start. See bros, these things happens. Firewatch.exe has stopped working. Okay, now we are just going back and this Firewatch.exe has stopped working. We have just cut the screen. Okay, as far we know that we can't load the screen after that match. Okay, then I'm just opening notepad and let you know what to do. First thing is that you have to just know this process and do exactly what I am doing. Don't do something different. After this Firewatch, it's proper. We are going to properties, and there is C games Firewatch.exe. It is a properties on the shortcut target. So here we will write force D3 D9. Here we have written this thing and apply. Okay, here I'm writing what you have to write: force D3 D9. This thing you have to write. Okay, then we are just starting our game, and later let we know that our game is starting finally. Okay, here is our game, and let's continue. Let me see. Something happening. See bros, our game starts. Our game started. It's loading us. It will take some time. Sorry, we have some moments. Wait. See bros, it's quite loading. Fast man, fast. Fast, you dumbass idiot. It's loading, wait minutes, and it started to load. It's loaded, man, and that's your game. Okay, bros. Hope all of you enjoyed these videos. I'm having a graphics issues.
Well, it's a big if.
Actually,
It might not be them.
Today my RAM
Look, it's
is
not.
not working, and I have to buy a new one. Sorry about that, but your game will surely work. Thank you for seeing my videos.